Hey folks, a few days ago, Dylan from TruffleSecurity shared about this Google OAuth vulnerability. Now, I was interested in finding out if Microsoft 365 admins need to be worried about this specific issue. According to this, it allows employees at companies to retain indefinite access to applications even after they are offboarded and removed from the Google organization. Now, what caught my eye is the ability to use this plus email alias to sign into a tenant. So let's see how this works. Let's say we have a Google corporate workspace and there is a user in this tenant. Now, what he has done, he has also created a personal Google account using the same domain, but using an email alias. Now, this user is added into a Slack or a Zoom, and these apps validate using the domain. Now, instead of using his work account, this user uses his personal account using the alias to sign into Slack. Now, because the domain is the same, he is able to access the application. Now, at some point in the future, the user might be offboarded, he leaves the organization, so his account is removed. Now you can see what the problem is. Because it's a personal account, he will still continue to be able to access Slack even after he was offboarded. So let me show you how this looks, right? Because I have a Google Workspace account, which I've set up here. I've signed in with my primary account, and you can see it says managed by Merrill.net. Now this is my Google Workspace account. And you can see that it's managed by the admin. So this account is fine. But what I have done is I have gone ahead and created a personal account using the plus alias. Now this is another Google account, and this one is using the plus alias with the same domain. And you can see it doesn't say managed by Merrill.net because this is a personal one. Whereas the work account, you noticed, will have the managed by. So this got me thinking, can these plus email aliases be used in a Microsoft 365 tenant? Do Microsoft 365 admins need to be worried about this specific issue? So let's test it out. Let me head over to enter users. And let me try and invite one of these plus aliases, right? So let me say G plus Merrill at Merrill.net. And I'm going to go ahead and try and invite this user. And the good news is Microsoft 365, or more specifically Entra ID in Microsoft 365, validates the email address and prevents the invitation from going ahead. So for Microsoft 365 admins, this specific issue of using the plus alias is not going to be a major issue. Awesome. I hope you found this useful. Remember to hit subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, cheers.